Hi everyone, welcome to Niece's Custom. Today is one of them special videos. Today we are going to move my stuff out of my storage house into my trailer today. And guess what? I'm not ready. I'm not ready to do this. I am not ready to do this because it's a lot. It is a lot. A lot of stuff I got to throw away and a lot of stuff that I'm going to save. But half of the stuff going to get thrown away. So come with me while I do all this. Well, a little progress is coming along. Oh, excuse my hand. Just a little progress. But slowly but surely, it's going to get done. Yes. Supply and stuff. Hello, I'm making progress, y'all. Remember when the boxes were stacked up over there? I'm making progress. Making progress. Okay. Okay. It's coming along. I done got that area cleaned out. These boxes you see over here is just boxes that I'm gonna put in that trailer. And I have an elliptical right there that I'm about to give away. I think my aunt wanted it. And I have an exercise bike right here that I'm gonna give away. Okay. Going back at it. Okay. I had everything cleaned out. Remember how this thing was packed with stuff? It is clean out. That's just shelves that I got in here, but all that stuff is gonna go in my house. But it's done. Everything is clean. So now I'm gonna have to come and wire it and put the insulation in it and put the panel in it, and we'll be done with my office.